Today I want to discuss our unique lines which we use in writing task 2. I will briefly elucidate both point of views in the following paragraphs with appropriate examples and references along with my own perspective. Our BP1 starts like this. Admittedly, there are several merits that favor the statement that dash. In this dash, we have to fill a proper noun or a statement. Our BP2, which is the opposite paragraph, starts like this. Conversely, there are several disadvantages of this actuality. The predominant one is that dash. At last, our conclusion starts like this. To summarize, this is an intricate subject to discuss as both sides present some justifiable points. But according to my point of view, for more 8-band answers, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to visit Spectrum Overseas Jalandhar. Thank you.